Hi, my sewing lovers. Welcome to my channel. My name is Johanna. If this is the first time clicking in, thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Today on the channel, I'll be showing you how to create this 3D applique. So you don't need a cup chain for this tutorial. You can use a bias binding, and that is what I use for this tutorial. If it's something you like to learn, please stick around and let's get to it. So guys, the materials we're going to be needing for this project are the brown paper, just a piece, and the hemming gum. This has glue on both sides. It comes in strips or you can buy per meter. You also need your marker, you need your crinoline net. This is not just twill, it is called the crinoline net. They call it bobbin net also sometimes. You need your glue. You can use your UHU glue or E6000, anyone that is comfortable for you or anyone that you can find around your area. This was the one that was reachable for me. So the first thing I'll be doing is to fold my pattern paper in half. Then I'll draw the shape of my 3D applique, and the shape I was going for was a leaf shape, and this was about 7 inches long. So if you're going for like roses or flowers, please just draw it out and try to use pencil first. When you get the shape, then go in with your marker, and when you get that shape, use your paper scissors and cut through that. Perfect. So I want my leaf or my shape to be asymmetric, so I don't want it to be like the same on both sides. So I'm going to use my template to trace the right shape out. Because I already started working on this project before, so I want to use the shape I was already working with. So I cut out the shape out, and that is perfect. Then I'll take my crinoline net and cut out the shape. So it depends on how many you are going to be needing for your project. I needed 15 and I bought half a meter of this crinoline net, and it was fine for me. I had to economize this, so if you want a lot, about 20 or 25, it depends, then you have to buy more, a meter or 2 meters, just to be safe. It's better to have more fabric than have less. Just to go to the fabric shop to buy 1 meter is a waste of fabric, so it's a waste of petrol, a waste of time and everything. So this crinoline net will help give that structure to our 3D applique. So here I have about 8 petals. Here I have 8, so they're going to be 4 of the flowers, because we're going to join 2 together. So we're going to cut 4 of this hemming gum. Can you see the way I'm economizing my fabric and my materials? Yes, so just try to economize as possible. And guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you're learning something so far. So I cut 4 of the hemming gum. So these strips on the hemming gum, I don't like it. I don't like the way it looks when I finish pressing them on my crinoline net. So what happened is that I have to remove them. I remove them first before I press it on my applique. Guys, this looks like a lot of work. Yes, it is, but at the end it looks so beautiful. I was so proud of myself. It was a lot of work, a lot of patience, like the gluing, the fusing and everything, but at the end I love the results. So yeah, I removed all those strips I do not like, and so I'm gonna sandwich the hemming gum in between the crinoline nets. Can you see that? I'm gonna do that for the 4 applique. Perfect. So now we're going to take this to the iron and press it. Now can you see that you don't even see the white hemming gum anywhere in between? Make sure you press it well, press it and make sure it's fused well, that there is no trace of that white fusing or that white hemming gum. And guys, if you don't remove those lines on the hemming gum that we removed earlier, it's going to create those lines on the crinoline, and the crinoline is see-through, so we do not want that. So now can you see how thick it is? It has structure. So now I'll take my bias binding and I would finish the edges of these petals. Guys, if you do not use the bias binding, even if you use the lighter to kind of burn the edges, it's still gonna scratch your client, or it's gonna scratch you while wearing it. So if you do not do this, it's gonna scratch you and it's not gonna look neat. So if you skip this step, I'm not sure you want that scratch at the party, so try to do this. Yes, so look at how it looks right now. It looks very nice when you attach your bias binding. Can you see that? You can actually use this like this. You don't have to decorate it with flowers or lace, and this would work if you want something very subtle. So now I'm going to bring my glue and my paintbrush, and I will be looking for the nice lace that would fit that applique, the petal I just did. So I'm just gonna place it well. Then I cut out the excess lace that is coming out of the petal. So now it's time to add glue to the back of the lace trimming. But before then, guys, you see I actually removed the net of the lace trimmings because I do not want any glue to touch the lace trimmings. When there's glue on the lace trimmings, it does not look nice on the applique. So try to remove any lace on your lace trimmings. So I'm gonna take my glue and just dip my paintbrush in. Then I spread it carefully. One thing I like about this glue was that it dries up. This was my first time using this glue, so when I thought that this was not going to dry up, the white thing is just going to be on my lace forever. I thought it was not going to dry up, and guess what guys, it dried up. So the glue dried up and it was looking very nice, but I think next time I would like to use a clear glue instead of something that is white. Yes, so something like the UHU Woohoo glue, I think people call it Woohoo glue. The UHU glue, that will be better than this. So I'll bring my petal closer, then I'm going to place that lace trimmings on the petal, pressing my lace trimming on those petals. And guys, I would let it dry up and I'll leave it in the camera so that you'd see how it dries up. You see the before and after. Can you see that the white glue is still there? But you notice that it dries up as it goes. Can you see the glue is still there, but after some minutes it dried up, not totally, but after some, can you see it's better? This is about 5 minutes after. Can you see there's a lot of difference? And this is like after 10 minutes and the glue is not that much again. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something, don't forget to write it on the comment section. That would be highly appreciated. Can you see how this applique is looking so beautiful? You can use it for detailing on corsets, on sleeves, on skirts, trains, wedding dresses, and it's going to look so stunning. Guys, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.